Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. I'm Ethan.
And I'm Sophie. And today, oh boy, we're talking about something deeply important to every American.
Therapy?
Close. We're talking about the weird things Americans do.
Ah, yes, our national talent.
Let's start with the classic, how are you?
Not a question, just a noise we make.
Seriously, someone asked me, how are you last week? I answered, big mistake.
What happened?
The man froze, like Windows XP. He was not prepared for a real response.
That's because the correct reply is, I'm good, even if your life is on fire.
Exactly. If you say anything honest, Americans malfunction. Okay, moving on. Let's talk about iced coffee.
Why do Americans drink iced coffee in the middle of a snowstorm?
Because we're committed and hydrated and emotionally unstable.
I saw a girl wearing a huge winter jacket, gloves, scarf, and holding a giant iced latte.
That's called fashion over survival.
No, that's called my fingers are freezing, but at least my drink is aesthetic. Okay, let's address America's biggest crime. Shoes inside the house.
Americans walk into their homes with shoes that have touched sidewalks, public bathrooms, mysterious liquids.
Probably a crime scene.
I told someone once to take their shoes off. He looked offended, like I asked him to remove his soul.
Meanwhile, other countries treat shoes like they're radioactive.
And they should. Have you seen American sidewalks?
Okay, Sophie, explain why American portion sizes are unholy.
Because this country fears two things, weak Wi-Fi and small servings.
I ordered a small soda the other day. The cup was the size of a baby.
My first American burger looked like it could feed an entire village.
If you can lift it with one hand, it's not American-sized.
Only in America can you eat pancakes at 10 p.m. without judgment.
That's because breakfast food is the universal language of joy.
Americans act like it's a personality. Oh my God, I eat breakfast at night? I'm so quirky.
Relax, Jessica. Toddlers do the same thing.
Okay, moving on. Americans apologize for everything.
Someone bumps into you, and you say, sorry.
And they reply with, you're good, which sounds nice, but also low-key threatening.
You're good.
I said you're good.
Okay, Mom.
Americans love talking to strangers.
It's our second favorite sport after complaining.
I sat next to a guy on the bus. He told me his job, his wife's job, his dog's medical history.
Did you ask?
No, not even close.
That's not oversharing. That's community service.
Americans can't just sit and eat.
No, we have to eat while driving 80 miles an hour.
I saw a guy eating spaghetti while driving. Spaghetti.
That's not multitasking. That's survival mode.
Americans say literally for things that are absolutely not literal.
I literally died.
I literally exploded.
I literally can't even.
If Americans literally did half the things they literally say, we'd be extinct. Americans love leftovers.
It's our national treasure.
Someone will take 3 fries home, like, I'll eat these later.
No, you won't. You're lying to yourself.
Americans can make small talk anywhere.
Grocery store? Yes. Elevator? Yes. Public bathroom? Unfortunately, yes.
If Americans say, crazy weather today, that means I'm trying to be polite but also escape this conversation. Americans carry water bottles everywhere.
Big ones. Ones that look like you're climbing Mount Everest.
Hydrate or dihydrate.
Right. If you're not drinking water like it's your job, you're not American.
Americans drive to places they could literally walk to.
I once drove to a gym to walk on a treadmill.
That is peak American energy. Americans say, I pay taxes, like it's a magic spell.
Someone argues with a cashier, I pay taxes.
Someone argues with a traffic cop, I pay taxes.
Someone loses in Mario Kart, I pay taxes. Hold up, before we go, Sophie, should we tell them about the bonus round?
Oh, yes. The forbidden topics, the ones Americans pretend don't exist.
Buckle up, everyone. It's about to get patriotic and slightly concerning.
Let's talk about Americans who refuse to wear coats in 20-degree weather.
Oh, you mean the people who step outside in shorts like they're immune to nature?
I saw a guy in a blizzard wearing flip-flops. Flip-flops!
That's not bravery. That's denial with ankle exposure.
While me, I'm dressed like a walking duvet. Self-checkout is supposed to make life easier.
Instead, it gives Americans a mini heart attack every time it beeps.
Unexpected item in the bagging area. Yes, Karen, it's my groceries. Where else would they be?
Every American becomes a criminal for 10 seconds. Like, oh my God, did I accidentally steal a banana?
Am I going to jail for the broccoli? Let's talk about the most painful American ritual, the happy birthday song.
No one knows what to do. Do we sing? Do we clap? Do we stare at the cake?
The person whose birthday it is just sits there like a hostage.
Smiling weirdly, hands in lap, reconsidering life choices.
It's the most cheerful torture session. And finally, let's talk about the grocery cart return judgment zone.
Americans claim to love freedom, but the real test of a person's soul is whether they return the shopping cart.
Exactly. If you just leave the cart in the middle of the parking lot, you are a certified menace.
And if you do return it, you feel like you just saved the planet.
I am a hero. I have done my civic duty. Americans decorate their houses like it's a competition.
Americans don't decorate for holidays, they go to war.
I saw a house with 7 inflatable snowmen, 300 lights, and a Santa the size of a pickup truck.
If your house isn't visible from space, are you even celebrating?
Okay, Americans say, I'm just looking, right before they buy something they don't need.
Oh, I wasn't planning to spend money today. Buys a waffle maker shaped like a dinosaur.
It was on sale, okay? Americans watch football like it's a religion.
But 90% of us still don't know what's happening.
Offside.
Touchback. 2-point conversion.
Everyone just yells words and hopes it's correct. Only in America do people say, oh yeah, that gas station has the best snacks.
That should not be a personality trait.
But it is, and honestly, they're proud of it.
All right, guys, this time for real, we're wrapping up.
Tell us which country's weird habits we should roast next.
And remember, stay hydrated.
Or dehydrated.
Bye, everyone.